How to delete a post on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete a post on TikTok. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just select the post or the video that you want to delete. And now here, once you are inside that particular post, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you can simply swipe through the options and there you'll see the delete button. So there you can just tap on it, and after that you can confirm it by tapping on delete again. And once you do that, your video will be instantly removed. But here, just in case if you change your mind, you can just go to the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and from there you can just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you are inside the settings section, you can just scroll down, and there you can just tap on activity center, and from here you can just tap on recently deleted, and you can restore your video that you have deleted within the 30 days. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.